Hello everyone. Today we'll be working on beginner's guide how to create Instagram filter using Python. Insta filter library from Python will be used for creating Instagram filter. Now we'll discuss what this Insta filter is. These filters are basically designed to improve the quality of an image. These filters are an example of complex machine learning algorithms that are deployed in production to serve Instagram. So if these filters are created by machine learning algorithm, it means that we can also create Instagram filter with Python. Insta filter library in Python which help us to use Instagram filters with Python. First of all, we have to install OpenCV Python, that is computer vision Python. After that we will install Insta filter by pip install. Then here's a short code on how to create Insta filter. First of all, we have to upload an image here, and I have uploaded so many images. Note it only takes the format of JPG and PNG, and suppose this is my original picture. And I will use filter on my original picture. So my picture's name is Smriti, and let's select the Insta filters from here. These are the Insta filter library, and let's select one filter from here, this filter. Okay, now run it, and to save that modified image we'll write another code cv2 I'm right, and inside we have the name given modified image in JPG file. Okay, and run this file, and now we can open this. As you can see, yeah, this is my modified image and this is my original image and modified. So our filter is working. Here are different types of filters given. You can select any of them. So we can use another filter as well, moon. It is a black and white filter. Let's click on this and save the picture. My original picture is this, and let's see the modified image, and this is my modified image, black and white. So this is how our Insta filter for creating Instagram filters is working. Thank you.